Hello, my name is Sagar from DataCoil, and this is going to be a short session on scheduling and running cron jobs. This is going to be a series of few videos about application of cron jobs. In the end, we'll be scraping the temperature and description from weather.com, which would be updated hourly and stored in Postgres table. That would be done using cron jobs. Lastly, all of the code used in this video can be found in cron automation repository of our GitHub page. Link of this will be provided in description. Just to clarify, all of us are on same page. Cron is a program that is used to schedule tasks in Unix-like systems. Tasks of cron are defined in cron tab, which is essentially a text file that contains information about when and what to execute. This is the basic structure of a cron task. The first part, the when, defines the time of schedule, and second part defines what command to be executed. Since we're using Python for this could be a Python script that you want to run in a designated time frame. We can understand the scheduling syntax with the help of this website, crontab.guru. This essentially consists of 5 fields separated by white spaces, which act as placeholder for defining schedule. The first is for minute that has value of 0 to 59. Second is for hour with a value range of 0 to 23. Third is for day of month. Fourth is for month. And fifth is day of week. The value ranges from 0 to 6. Let's start with the simplest schedule, 5 asterisk. First things first, asterisk is wildcard for every allowed value. So this combination of 5 asterisk means that the command will run every minute of every hour of every day, every month, and every day of week. And by clicking next here, we can see the nature of schedule. So we can confirm that this schedule is going to run on every minute. Let's say if you want something to run daily at 1 a.m., the syntax for this would be 0 for minute, and the value of hour should be 1, as it represents first hour, 1 a.m. Again, if you want to run a script first day of every month, then we can very simply put 1 in the placeholder for day, and we can confirm this here. So this is going to run on first day of every month in 1 a.m. And there are other characters like comma and hyphen and asterisk and forward slash that is used to create pretty complex schedule as per our needs. Let's define a simple schedule and see this in practice. First of all, I'm going to create a new file and call it simpletasks.py. What we'll do here is we'll be scheduling this script every minute and verifying it as ran in designated time using a log file. Then in the file, I'm going to import OS. OS module in Python provide function for interaction with operating system. In our example, we'll use this to determine or specify path. Then I'm going to import datetime from datetime module. We'll be needing that to print the time for the log. Then I'm going to specify absolute path with these two variables, dir path and file name. What this does is we're joining path and file name so that at the end we'll have absolute path to the file stamp.txt. Then I'm going to define a function add stamp. First of all, we'll open the file in append mode using the parameter a. Then we'll set the variable datetime to store current time using function datetime.now. We'll make this a string to make it easier for printing. Then we'll write in the file At the end, we're going to run it using this line of code. Let's save this file and let's run it. So it creates a stamp file that records the time in which the script was ran. Let's schedule this simple script using cron tab. First of all, let's copy this file path and we can run cron tab using the command cron tab -e. So this is essentially a text file that provides us where we can specify or define cron tab. And let's run this script every minute. For this, we can use the combination of 5 asterisks as we defined before, and after that Python, and after that we specify the path for the file. So let's save this using Ctrl X, yes, and enter. Now we have defined cron tab to schedule this script. Let's wait for a minute to see if our script has ran. Now we can go to the text file and see this script has been executed. That's all for this video. I hope you have clear understanding about what and how of cron jobs. In the next video, we'll use this knowledge to schedule the weather scraper.